Everyone, my name is Nikita HS from Karnataka. I recently completed my bachelor's degree in information science and engineering. As for now, I am Besant Technologies student and I completed my Linux and AWS course here and currently pursuing DevOps course in this institute. When it comes to my trainer is Nikita ma'am, where she explains every concept clearly and make complex concepts easy to understand. Here my project, this is the HTML code. Uh, my mini project is a static website hosting on Amazon S3 bucket. First, we need to create S3 bucket. I don't change any settings here and simply create the S3 bucket. And I need to go inside the S3 bucket and I need to upload the files related to this project. And I will upload. It is uploading and it is uploaded. And then I should this is the code where I written, and I should simply click on this, and this is the URL where we can access our website. Let's see, it is showing access denied, so we need to make we need to give some permissions here, like go to properties and here enable this static website hosting, enable this one, and give name like and then here, and again it's showing access denied, so and you should enable this one for public access. Actually it is blocked for public access, so you should enable this one and save changes, you confirm. And you should enable this one, go to permissions and object ownership, ACL enable, give changes, check out this box and save changes. And then you need to go to objects and check out these two boxes and go to actions and make as public and make it. And now we can access. This is the project.